Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change your profile picture in Windows 11. So click on start. Now here click on accounts. Here you will see your info. Now you will see this is the profile picture. You can take a photo from here and you choose a file from here. So if you have any picture, so you can change and you can select that one like this one. And also you can take a photo yourself. And guys, if you using your Microsoft account, so log in your Microsoft account and there you can change your profile picture. So easy way guys to change profile picture in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.